Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Python inbuilt Venv module to create virtual environments. And guys, for this you need a Python version about 3.3 and for this video I'm using Python version 3.9.1. Okay guys, I'm going to create my virtual environment inside this folder. Okay, you can see it is empty. Then you need to open your command prompt inside this folder. Then after you open your command prompt inside the folder that you want to create your virtual environment, type python -m venv, and after this type a name whatever you like that to name your virtual environment. I will use test. Okay, then press enter. This will take a few seconds. Okay, now if you open the folder, you can see there is a new folder created, test. This is your virtual environment. You can see there are 3 folders, include lib and scripts. If you want to okay, wait. If you after you create your virtual environment, you need to first of all activate your virtual environment. For that you need to run this activate file, which is inside the scripts folder. For that you can go inside the scripts folder. Sorry. First of all, we need to go inside our virtual environment, cd test. Now I'm inside our virtual environment folder. Now go inside the scripts folder. Okay, now we are inside the scripts folder inside our virtual environment. Now simply type activate. Now you can see in front of the path there's you can see the name of your virtual environment. Now your virtual environment has been activated. Now if you want to deactivate the virtual environment, simply you need to go inside the scripts folder and type deactivate. Okay, now your virtual environment has been deactivated. Okay, now I'll activate it again. Now let's see what are the libraries inside our folder. For that I will use a pip freeze command. You can see there's nothing inside our virtual environment. Okay, I'll show you. I'm opening a new command prompt outside our virtual environment, and I'm typing pip freeze, and you can see all the modules and libraries that I have installed in my main environment can be seen here. Okay guys, now we are back inside our virtual environment that we created. Now let's install a package and see what will happen. I will install numpy, pip install numpy. It will take some time. It's installed. Okay, now then if I run pip freeze again, you can see that it shows numpy is inside a virtual environment, but you can't see other packages. as I told earlier, this is the main advantage of using a virtual environment when we are making a project. Because when we are making a project, we can only install the needed packages inside a virtual environment, and if you do like that way, it will be very easy when you finally export your project as a executable file. Okay, now you know how to create a virtual environment and how to activate and deactivate a virtual environment. Now next time when you are making a project, use the virtual environment.